to my channel, The Beauty Bliss. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all a mini tutorial on brown smoky eyes that I have created using only 2 steps, and this is very simple, easy and beginner friendly look. If you want to know how to get this look, so make sure you watch the whole video till end, and without wasting any time, let's get started with the video.
You call me on the telephone, you feel so far away.